Here are some effective money saving tips for students. Number one, create a budget. Check if you're missing any one of these. Track your income and expenses to understand where your money goes. Okay, that was number one. Number two, use student discounts. Take advantage of student discounts for shopping, travel, and dining. Number three, cook at home. Save money by preparing meals. You understand? Instead of eating out. Number four, buy or rent used textbooks. Look for used or digital textbooks to save on costs. Number five, limit takeout. Reduce spending by cooking meals and packing lunches. Number six, use public transport. Take advantage of student transport passes for cheaper travel. Invest everything else you save. Number seven, find free events. Look for free events on campus or in your community for entertainment. Number eight, share expenses. Consider sharing accommodation or transportation costs with roommates or friends. Number nine, avoid credit card debt. Use cash or a credit card to avoid overspending and accumulating debt. I just got a flashback. Number 10, sell unused items. Sell clothes, gadgets, textbooks that you no longer need to earn extra cash. Implementing these tips can help you manage your finances effectively while studying. Check them off one at a time. They're in the description. Jesus is Lord. Ciao.